With the holidays around the corner, you might be thinking about entertaining. And if you're on a healthy diet, but you still want to present your guests with something really fun and interesting, sweet potato bruschetta is the recipe for you. It's gluten-free, it's vegan, and everybody's gonna be happy. The ingredients I'm using today are from Basil Bandwagon Natural Market. Let's run through what they are. So for the base, we're gonna be using these handy sweet potatoes that are already pre-cut. I love this. They're the perfect thickness and size for your bruschetta. As a garnish, we're gonna be using a little bit of sweetener. Now, normally, this type of thing might call for honey, but we're keeping it vegan and we're gonna use this sweet potato nectar. This is literally made from just sweet potatoes and it tastes very sweet and delicious, almost like a molasses flavor. Also for garnish, we're gonna be using some pomegranate seeds. These are fresh. We've got some walnuts that provide us with some nice healthy fat. For the spread, we're gonna be making a sunflower cheese. So we're using sunflower seeds, of course, some scallions. I've got a ½ teaspoon of garlic powder and a ½ teaspoon of onion powder and a little bit of salt, about a ½ teaspoon of that as well. Some fresh thyme, also for our garnish. Some lemon juice is gonna go into the sunflower seed cheese. And here I have a chopped ¼ cup of scallion. To give it an extra cheesy flavor with no cheese is some miso. This is a light colored chickpea miso. I've got 1 tablespoon of that. So stop your food processor here and there and just scrape down the sides to make sure that you're getting everything blended. And then give it another blend. So this is more or less the texture you're going for. If you want to get it smoother, you can just keep blending it, or you can even try a Vitamix if you want to get it super smooth, but I happen to like some texture. So I baked our sweet potato slices at 350 for about 15 minutes. These have a nice consistency, but if you want them even a little more well done, you could always just brush them with a little olive oil and bake them a little longer, maybe even 5 minutes more. All right, so I'm just gonna take a little scoop of our sunflower seed cheese and spread it onto one of the sweet potato slices. Then we're gonna sprinkle it with some broken pieces of walnut, some pomegranate seeds. I'm gonna drizzle it with a little bit of our sweet potato nectar and just a little sprig of our fresh thyme, or you can use little sprigs of rosemary too. Just put some of the thyme leaves on there. This is flavorful. It's a nice contrast of tastes and textures, and your guests are gonna love it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video fun and helpful, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more weekly healthy recipe videos.